Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers, ever dreamt of seeing your mighty village battles, not on a tiny phone screen, but right there on your huge smart TV? Well, imagine all those explosions and troop movements blown up to incredible scale. Playing Clash of Clans on a big display can totally transform your game, making every raid and defense feel much more epic. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the action, giving you a fresh perspective on your favorite strategy game. One of the simplest ways to get Clash of Clans onto your TV is through screen mirroring. Most smart TVs today, whether they're Samsung, LG, or Vizio, have this feature built right in. You just connect your phone or tablet wirelessly to the TV, and whatever's on your mobile screen appears instantly on the big screen. It's perfect for showing off your base to friends or just casually watching replays, but be aware, there might be a slight delay or lag, making active gameplay a bit tricky sometimes. For a potentially smoother experience, especially if you have an older TV, consider using an external Android TV box. Devices like a Google Chromecast with Google TV, an Amazon Fire Stick, or even dedicated NVIDIA Shields plug right into your TV's HDMI port. They run a version of Android that lets you download and install many mobile apps directly. This often provides a more stable connection and better frame rates, making live gameplay much more enjoyable than simple mirroring. Now, for the ultimate Clash of Clans experience on your TV, a mini PC or even a dedicated gaming stick is often your best bet. You simply plug a small computer, running Windows or even Linux, into your TV via HDMI. Then, you can install an Android emulator, like BlueStacks or LD Player, right on that mini PC. This setup gives you full control, allowing you to use a keyboard, mouse, or even a Bluetooth gamepad for precision gameplay, giving you the best possible performance and responsiveness. So, which method is best for you? For casual viewing, screen mirroring is fine, but if you want to actively play Clash of Clans on your big screen, a dedicated Android TV box, or, even better, a mini PC running an emulator, will give you the most satisfying experience. Remember to use a stable Wi-Fi connection for smooth gameplay. Adding a Bluetooth mouse or even a compatible gamepad can really improve your control. Now go dominate those villages, big screen style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.